What is up, guys, and welcome to Onourshelf. I'm Jess, and today I'm going to review the LG B2 Series 55-inch class OLED Smart TV. I really wanted to emphasize that this is an OLED TV. It's the best type of TV, so everything looks really amazing. Stunning visuals, deep blacks, and over 1 billion colors. It's AI powered and a 4K TV. This TV is not bulky at all. The edges are very thin. The design of the TV is premium and simple, as well as elegant. This TV has built-in Alexa, voice control, Google Assistant. The display has so many options like Hulu, Netflix, Disney+. Basically, most apps are already installed. They have built-in games on the TV like Tetris. And speaking of gaming, playing games on this TV is amazing. It has outstanding gaming performance. The TV offers a wide viewing angle, which ensures a great view for different viewing positions. This OLED TV adds a touch of elegance to any room. Let's talk about the ports. On the back of the TV, there are 2 USB-in ports and 4 HDMI ports. There's 2 on the side and 2 on the back. Also on the back of the TV, we have an Ethernet port, an optical port, 2 HDMI ports, and an antenna cable for connection. On the bottom of the TV, there's also a multifunction button, and the speakers are also at the bottom. The sound quality is down-firing sound. It shoots from the bottom. Here is your remote. It's a standard remote. It has the buttons on the remote where you can press Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Alexa. You can also use the microphone. It has amazing voice commands. You can also use the microphone to speak to what you want to search for. So you could say like watch Netflix and it'll go directly to Netflix. Watch Netflix.
Okay, I'll go to Netflix app.
I wanted to show you that we mounted this TV to our walls. It looks like this. This TV also has a strong Wi-Fi signal. Before I get into the perfect images and the crisp black images of this TV, I wanted to point out the resolution. The numbers are 3840 by 2160, and it has an A7 Gen 5 processor. Everything looks so crisp and amazing and perfect. It looks like you're looking through a window. Playing games on this TV is a real treat. Watching movies on this TV is really amazing. The picture quality is really good. Alright guys, weren't those stunning visuals? I mean, the colors were perfect. The blacks were really black and crisp. There were over 1 billion colors. It's just stunning. The gaming experience was real-time action. It was amazing and fun. And overall, this TV is outstanding. It would be great for any room. Alright, that has been a review of the LG B2 Series 55-inch class OLED Smart TV. It has built-in Alexa. You can play music, games, check the weather, control your smart home, and more with this smart TV. I will put some affiliate links down below in the description box if you are interested in this product. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun reviewing it. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment, like, and share this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.